Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be featuring the Maxi Cosi Magellan XP convertible car seat. This car seat can be used from birth to 10 years old or for a child from 5 to 120 pounds. We'll start off by talking about some of its notable features. It comes in quite a few different colors, some neutrals and some more fun like this bright pink. The fabrics are machine washable and dryer safe. The easy zipper-on seat pad makes installation and removal for cleaning quick and simple. It has harness clip holders on either side to make getting your child in and out of the seat hassle-free. It has 2 removable dishwasher-safe cup holders for your child's snacks and drinks. Lastly, it comes with removable infant inserts to keep your newborn snug. Maxi Cosi has also included some notable safety features, so we'll go over those as well. The adjustable headrest has 14 positions to grow with your child. It has a 7-position recline, which can be adjusted with one hand. This makes the switch from rear to forward-facing modes super easy. It has an adjustable torso side impact protection. Since this is a convertible car seat, it has a lot of different installation modes, and we'll talk about the rear-facing one first, which can be used for a child from 5 to 40 pounds or up to 40 inches tall. Start off by placing the Magellan XP rear-facing on the vehicle seat and adjust the recline. Make sure the bubble indicator rests somewhere within the blue zone. Unzip the seat pad off the front of the car seat to reveal the rear-facing belt path. Pull down the seatbelt and insert it through the belt path, which is also marked in blue. Buckle the seatbelt. To remove the slack, push down on the Magellan XP with one hand and pull the seatbelt tight with the other. Slide only the shoulder belt into the belt lock-off hook on the opposite side. Lock off the vehicle seatbelt by pulling out all the webbing and letting it click back into place as it slides back in. Check your installation, making sure that the seat does not move more than 1 inch in any direction at the belt path. Zip up the car seat pad around the front of the car seat. If you'd prefer to use the latch method, unzip the seat pad again to reveal the lower anchor belt. Remove the lower connectors from the storage compartments by pushing the red buttons. You may need to loosen the adjuster to extend the webbing. Thread each side through their respective rear-facing belt path openings, making sure nothing gets twisted. Attach the lower connectors to the lower anchors within the crease of the vehicle seat, making sure that the adjuster is on the child's right side. To remove the slack, push down on the Magellan XP with one hand and pull the excess webbing of the lower anchors with the other. Check your installation, making sure that the seat does not move more than 1 inch in any direction at the belt path. Zip up the car seat pad. For forward-facing installation, your child should weigh from 22 to 65 pounds and be 29 to 49 inches tall. Begin by removing the tether clip from its storage area on the back of the seat. Place the Magellan XP forward-facing on the vehicle seat and adjust the recline. Make sure the bubble indicator rests somewhere within the red zone, as long as it rests flush against the vehicle seat. Pull the tether strap through the vehicle headrest. Clip it loosely to your vehicle's tether anchor. Its location can be found in your vehicle manual. Adjust the torso position using the buttons on the sides. For this mode, it can be in either position 1 or position 2, depending on your child's size. Raise the headrest up all the way, undo the headrest pad fasteners, and lift the fabric to reveal the forward-facing belt path, marked in red. Thread the vehicle belt into the forward-facing belt path opening, pull it across the seat and thread it through the other belt path opening. Buckle the seatbelt. To remove the slack, push down on the Magellan XP with one hand and pull the seatbelt tight with the other. Slide only the shoulder belt into the belt lock-off hook on the opposite side. Lock off the vehicle seatbelt. Tighten the rear tether and check your installation. Fasten the headrest pad fabric back into place and adjust the headrest appropriately for your child's size. For the forward-facing installation with the latch system, you will follow much of the same process with checking the recline position and attaching the rear tether loosely. From here, raise the headrest up all the way, undo the headrest pad fasteners, and lift the fabric to reveal the forward-facing belt path, marked in red. Place the harness clips into the harness holders. Unzip the seat pad forward to pull out the lower anchor connectors. Thread each lower connector through the openings of the forward-facing belt path, making sure nothing gets twisted. Make sure the adjuster is on the child's left side. Connect each side to their respective lower anchors. To remove the slack, push down on the Magellan XP with one hand and pull the excess webbing of the lower anchors with the other. Tighten the rear tether strap and check your installation. Fasten the headrest pad fabric back into place and adjust the headrest appropriately for your child's size. Lastly, for the belt positioning booster mode, your child should weigh between 40 and 120 pounds and be 43 to 57 inches tall. You'll need to start by storing the harness away inside the seat cushions in the base and the interior sides of the seat. You may need to remove the harness strap pads to do this. From here, adjust the torso to position 3. Adjust the height of the headrest as needed. The top of your child's ears should never be above the top of the headrest. Adjust the recline to be in the fully upright purple position on the bubble indicator. Place the booster on the vehicle seat facing forward. Although it's not required, feel free to attach the booster seat to the vehicle seat using the lower anchor connectors. This keeps it from becoming a projectile if your child is not in the car with you. Once your child is in the seat, pull the seatbelt down and route the lap belt through the booster belt path. Buckle the seatbelt, making sure the lap belt lays snugly across your child's hips and not on their stomach. Route the shoulder belt through the belt guide at the bottom of the headrest. You're good to go. Overall, the Maxi Cosi Magellan XP is one of our favorite convertible car seats. Its lifespan makes it great to keep your child safe as they grow. Thanks for watching. To shop this car seat or any other Maxi Cosi car seats, you can go to babycubby.com. We offer free shipping on orders of $25 or more. To learn about another one of our favorite convertible car seats, you can click on this video, like and subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next time.